What do you do when it's -degrees outside? We take a bubble bath, don't we, Dexy and Gypsy? Now, of course, the camera's playing now. He's not going to sit here and whine like he was just a few minutes ago. Talk to me, Dexter. You should hear this dog. I'm telling you, it's the most funniest thing you ever seen in your life. He doesn't understand I'm trying to help him. Oh, are you okay? You don't like your bath? You don't like getting baths? No? Oh, poor little Dexy. Oh, poor baby. Gypsy like getting bath, don't you, Dexy? Gypsy, yeah. See, it makes her tired. She's like, oh, this is like a day spa. And Dexter, he could care less. He just wants to scream. He was screaming so bad it wasn't even funny. It's -degrees outside. We're in the vortex of freeze warning. You go outside and your air nostrils and eyeball sockets all get sucked up and frozen shut. I was out, took them out for about an hour. I know, not supposed to be outside for in this kind of weather in an hour, but we had to go outside. Came in, warmed up a little bit, had lunch. Now we're having a day spa. Even though Dexter's hiding from me now, he's ashamed. You should be ashamed of yourself the way you yell at Daddy. Yes, you should be ashamed. Yes, you should hide yourself. That's right. I understand you don't like getting the buggies off you. Yes. Gypsy's like, hey, I'll talk to you, Daddy. Hey, baby girl. What you doing? Yeah. I like baths, Daddy. Gets the dirt off me. Yeah, you better hide down in there. Yeah. I think Gypsy's trying to protect him. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this quick little clip of the dogs getting their day spa in the sub-vortex. So, oh, now Gypsy's going to talk. You talking now? Yeah. Whoa, you pretty girl. You better hide yourself down there, little man. Look at him hiding. So I turn this off, he'll go back to screaming. But anyways, as we say around this homestead, we love you, but Jesus loves you more. God bless each one of you. Stay warm, bundle up. Make sure if you're outside, make sure all your I'm telling you, it's so cold outside. All the people that wear their pants down their knees are wearing their pants up today. No lie, I'm serious. There was actually one in the neighborhood today. I was out, and he's always out walking. Today, for the first time, I saw his pants up. I didn't see his belt. I didn't see his undies. I saw just him and his pants up. He even had a coat on, a real coat. Not a hoodie, a real coat. That's how you know it's cold outside, when they decide to pull the drawers up and put on the winter coats. You better hide yourself, little man. That's right, I see you. There you are. I know, so I turn this off, you're going to go back screaming at Daddy. All right, talk to you all soon. Love you.